ones, threes, fives, sevens, and nines. All right, we're talking about odd and even numbers today. Odd and even. Today we're going to a party, the odd and even party. What? All right, so what you need for math today is your whiteboard. So get your whiteboards ready.
Is it recording?
Get your whiteboards ready.
We're on it.
Whiteboards ready. All right, my friends. Odd and even party. I need a marker. Let's use blue. Right? Yeah. All right. So today's a little different. Instead of counting tens frames like we did yesterday, we're gonna count objects. So we gotta count the balloons in this picture because remember we're at a birthday party. So we're counting the balloons. So count the balloons. Write the number on your whiteboard. I'll point to them. You count them. Okay. Write the number on your whiteboard. And then you're gonna write E or O for even or odd. E or O, even or odd. And then you're gonna chin it, remember? Put it under your chin. Oh, sorry. I'm standing in the way. I'm bad about that. All right. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balloons. I see lots of sixes. Now I gotta make my partners to see if it's even or odd. So 1, 2, 3. Everybody gets a partner, which means this is even. So even Steven brought even numbers of balloons to the party. Whoop whoop. Good job. Erase your boards. Yeah, I got that right.
Good. Way to go. We could do some cheers.
These markers do not erase good. Ooh, now we gotta count some cake, which might be a little hard for you. So I'm gonna count them if you can't see them. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So everyone should have 10 written on the whiteboard. Because I just counted it. Now you gotta tell me if it's even or odd. I'm gonna circle my cakes. See if I can make some pairs. 2 pieces of cake, 2 pieces of cake, 2 pieces of cake, 2 pieces of cake, 2 pieces of cake. Oh, no cakes left out. Everybody gets 2 pieces. So that means it's what?
Remember, 10 starts with the 1 and the 0. Oh, sorry. I was going to take their picture and button in.
Is there someone that has it backwards? Yeah, okay.
Fixed it. Gianna's got on.
Gianna. But everybody gets 2 pieces of cake. There's no leftover cake. So if there's none left over and they're all in groups of 2, it makes it even. Okay? Even Steven likes this cake.
Aw.
All right, erase your boards.
Do you want me to go get a magic eraser?
No, it's fine. All right, here we go. Next one. Presents. Miss Harris loves presents. Raise your hand if you like presents.
I do.
I don't know many people that don't like like presents, but I mean, maybe some people don't like presents. I don't know. All right, let's count these presents. Let's see. Let's get Abigail from Miss T's class.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So there's 13 presents. That's a lot of presents. I can't remember the last time I got 13 presents. When you get older, you don't get as many presents as you do when you're a kid. Remember that. Miss Harris is lucky if Mr. Harris remembers to get her a present.
Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
I can't see all the presents.
Well, we just counted them out loud. That's why we counted them. So there's 13 presents.
Okay.
Okay? 13 presents. We gotta see if they're even or odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made 6 groups of 2, but what's left over? He doesn't get a partner. So if he doesn't get a partner, he's what? Even or odd? He's odd. Odd. He ends in a 3. 3s are odd. We just counted them. 1s, 3s, 5s, 7s, 9s. If you watch the video later, I sing a song. Just let you know, I sing it a lot in this video. All right, raise your voice. You want to hear Miss Harris sing? You go watch a video. Oh, now we're counting people. But who can look at this slide real quick and show me if they know automatically if they can subitize and tell me if this is an odd or even number? Just by looking at the picture. What do you see, Ryan? What do you notice?
It's an odd number.
How do we know it's an odd number though? Just by looking at it.
Because I see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if these 2 people are here, 3 people are in groups, and it's 6. And if you add 6, 3, it's 9.
Yep.
So
Ryan counted. That's true. All of these groups, what he was getting at, all of these kids are in groups of 2, except for what? This group is in a group of what? 3. Well, we know that evens always go in groups of 2. And so if everybody was in a group of 2, we would know this number was even. But this is a group of 3, so we know this number is going to be odd. Now we got to figure out what the number is. So we know it's odd. Now you tell me the number. Write it on your whiteboard. We know the number's odd. You just got to tell me what number it is. Count the kids. Just the kids. Good. It's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 kids. It's an odd number. They couldn't leave him out, so they made him a group of 3. If you were in school, we could see if our classes were even or odd numbered because we could do partners and see who would have to be in a group of 3 because we can't have someone work by themselves. All right, raise your boards. We're going to do a couple more. More kids. All right, I'm going to put them in groups. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 2. He doesn't get a partner, so this is what? an odd number. Now you tell me the number. Count the kids. Weston, you got a question? Or are you going to tell me the answer?
Answer
What's the answer?
7.
Good job.
Go, Weston.
Whoop, whoop. 7 kids is an odd number because we have one friend that's left out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Skip. Skip the next one. Yeah, skip it. Skip it. Yeah, I want to do these. Okay. All right. Now what you're going to do, the spaceship tells us we're looking for even numbers. So you're going to look on these little rockets and you're going to tell me, you're going to write on your whiteboard which numbers are the even ones. There might be more than 1. There might be 2. There might be 3 rocket ships. So we have 28, 29, 30, and 31. Write on your whiteboards which ones you think are the even number. Remember, even numbers end in 0s, 2s, 4s, 6s, or 8s. So it ends in it. So it ends, we're looking at this last number in the ones place. If it ends in a 0, a 2, 4, 6, or 8. Write on your whiteboard. There's 2 of them. There's 2 of them. There's 2. Which ones are the even ones? Alright, so on your whiteboards, you should have the number 28. It ends with an 8, so that makes it even. And 30. That ends in a 0. It makes it even. So if you wrote those 2 numbers down, give yourself a silent cheer. All right, erase your boards. We're doing the next one. All right, this one's looking for odd numbers. So our odd numbers end in 1s, 3s, 5s, 7s, and 9s. So our numbers are 31, 32, 33, and 34. Which 2 numbers end in a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9? Oh my goodness, look at those numbers. Colton, you want to tell me what the numbers are? Oh, you have a question?
Are we looking for odd numbers or even numbers?
Odd numbers. Anybody else have a question? I heard someone say question.
Even.
We're doing odd now. We're switching. Layla, you have a question? What's up? Write down the odd numbers. There's these numbers on the rocket ships. Which ones are odd? Let's see. Who haven't I called on? today. Let's do Harper from Mr. Energy's class. Do you want to tell me what the answers are? What's the numbers? Good. 31 and 33 should be written on your boards. They end in 1s and 3s. If you had 31 and 33 written on your whiteboard, give yourself
Pat on the back.
pat on the back. Pat on your back. All right, we're down to 2 more. Now we're looking for even numbers. Rocket ship says even. We got 19, 23, 20, and 18. Oh, they're out of order this time. Even numbers. End in 0s, 2s, 4s, 6s, and 8s. They're just great. Even numbers are just great. They end in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. That's Miss Harris's song. I sing it a little bit better on the video. Not much. I'm not a singer. I'm a teacher. Liliana, got a question? Or you want to tell me the answers?
Hold on.
Oh, 19, 23, 20, and 18. Evie.
The answer is 18 and 20.
Good. Evie, tell me why those are my even numbers. Who can tell me why they're my even numbers? Ianthe?
Because there's an 8 on the even, that has the 8 and that has the 2 and there's a 2 up there.
Yes, there is a 2 and that's an even number, but you're right with the 8. We're only looking at the number in the ones place. So if we're only looking at the 8, Ianthe, what's the other number we look at?
0.
A 0. Good. If you had 18 and 20 on your whiteboards, kiss your brain. Kiss that brain. All right, last one. Last one. Odd. Todd needs to find which rocket ships can lead him to the moon. Oh, this
Oh.
one gives you the answers.
Yeah. Go to the next. Okay. Oh, do you want to find an odd one?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Why are
It's
they
fine.
all-
I don't know. Not a big deal.
Okay. Sorry.
Just kidding. Just go to the homework.
Okay.
JK. JK,
Yeah, the
JK,
rest of them
JK.
are done.
All right. Write any odd number on your whiteboard. Any number that you think is odd, write it on your whiteboard. I want to see if you know them. Any odd number, write it down. And then hold it up. Write your odd number and then hold it up. Good. So if you held up an odd number, your number ends in 1, 3s, 5s, 7s, or 9s. So I see 99, 27, 119. I see 1 is an odd number. 3, 7. All right, good job, my friends. All right, erase your boards and then I need your eyes. Eyes. Look at me. Give me your eyes. Give me your eyes. All right, your homework. All you're doing is dragging a circle tonight. You get a number at the top. You're going to circle if it's odd or even. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, I want you to stand up. Put your whiteboards down. Put your markers down. Stand up, and I want you to do 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2,
Tell me that
3,
homework at the
4,
end of the slideshow.
5. All right, you ready for Miss Turnage?
Tell them your homework's at the end of the slideshow because they never turn it in, even if they're on Google
You have to do your slide. You have to do it for homework. Okay?
Yeah.
It's separate. It's not at the end of the slide.
I know, but the parents were like,
Oh.
they have to do that if they were in the Google Meet.
Oh, yes.
Even if you're in the Google Meet, you have to turn in this to prove that you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
Just like if I give you a sheet to take home for homework. Okay? All right, now I want you to get your erase board, that yellow, okay? And I'm gonna make this short because you look like you're ready to rumble. Okay, get your erase board, get your marker. It's kind of a Monday. Okay, so this is gonna be your homework tonight. Okay, you're not gonna write on this, but I want to give you this example. So it says, you're gonna see this on your computer tonight in Google Classroom. It says text clues. Okay, Bear screams and points at the door in the illustration. What can you infer that Bear wants Mouse to do? Think about it. Get ready to unmute. Think about it. Bear screams and points at the door in the picture or in the illustration. What do you infer that Bear wants Mouse to do? Unmute. Throw it at me. Awesome. Okay, mute. Bear wants Mouse to leave. Get out, Mouse. So the conclusion was, Mouse, did Mouse get out? Yes or no? No, he didn't get out because what did he keep doing? Let's read this together. Unmute. And if you can see it, read. Mouse popped up in other places. What in the world? Okay, whoa, excuse you. Okay, mute. Mute quick. Okay, now, I need you to mute. So it says, do this one on paper. Bear is doing a headstand for Mouse. Headstand. Was Bear doing a headstand for Mouse?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Bear's doing a headstand for Mouse. Oh, yeah, that's right. So what do you think he was trying to do for Mouse? And then what really happened right here. So this is your example. This is what you need to do. So on your right, go to the next slide. So you have one to do here. And then on this slide, here's an example. Bear tries to refill Mouse's cup and tells him that there is plenty more. So I infer that Bear would like for Mouse to do what? Jaden, move your Pringles can, and that's a dojo off there. You don't eat in the classroom. Thank you. Okay, so we're almost done. So this is on your own paper, you're going to do this one. So why I made you get your erase board is, on paper, your parent, this is called a flow map, and in the classroom, we draw this sometimes, don't we? You have to learn to make your flow map. So on your erase board, real quick,
Make it big.
I want you, I want you to draw, like here's your erase board. I want you to draw a line and a line all the way down your erase board, okay? And hold it up. Let me see you do that. Let me see. Okay. Now, if you do it hot dog style, it makes your things bigger. So turn it hot dog style. This is hot dog. Turn it hamburger style. Turn it long ways. And then it makes your rows bigger to write in. So when you get your regular paper like this tonight, I want you to take your paper and I want you just to draw. I need help. Okay. I want you just to do the same thing on your paper. So here will be your flow map. 1, 2, 3. And you can just write right there your answers. Does that make sense? And then you take a picture and you upload it. That's simple. So I want this done on paper, not your erase board. But I didn't know if you had paper or not. Okay, so we need a flow map. Well, okay, 1, 2, 3. It flows across. Oh, look at hers, Alea. You are so, Alea. You're so smart. She's got her little boxes. Okay, so on the paper, you want to make sure you write it and then put your box around it or make your boxes really big. If you don't remember, the directions are on Google Classroom. We do it in our class a lot. So I hope you guys have remember. All right, so we are
All done?
finished.
All right, let me turn the lights on.
Okay,
Awesome.
so we, woo! All right, so any questions in my class? I'm gonna take you back here to my area. Any questions? Anything you wanna tell me, show me, ask me? Nope?
Yes.
Okay, yes,
Let me
Colton?
run. I
Yeah,
gotta
and
end
you
it.
have a journal.
And
You